Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Now, when we were younger, my siblings and I, we would always consider our bunso as the favorite of our parents. He was just treated differently. During meal times, our bunso would always get the best portions. And then, they would side with him whenever we had petty fights. Ang laging sinasabi ng mga magulang namin noon, especially my mother, mas matanda ka, huwag mong patulan ang mas bata sa iyo. Sounds familiar? My kuya and I, when we were tutored by our mother to save money, she had her unique ways. Aside from our books, my mother would always have a trusty stick or hanger by her side. So my brother and I would be inspired to always give the right answer. Because if we do not get the correct answer, then the stick and the hanger would become very, very handy. Now, we called it, my brother and I, we called it the golpo de gulat. Because at that time, my brother could not give the right answer. The right answer was golpo. And so because he could not give the right answer, he got the gulat part. Kaya golpo de gulat ang tawag namin. Our bunso did not receive that. My parents opted to look for another tutor, even if they had to shell out money. Iba talaga pag favorite, sabi namin ng kuya ko. But if you ask our bunso, he would have a different take on things. May kanya-kanya kaming version on who is the favorite. Nung matanda na kami, we were exchanging banters. Sino bang favorite sa atin nung bata tayo? Then my mother interrupted us and said, wala akong favorite sa inyo. Mas binibigyan ko lang ng ekstrang atensyon yung mas nangangailangan at that time. At sino ba ang mas binibigyan ng atensyon kadalasan? Siyempre, yung pinakamahina, pinakabata, bunso, the last. But you know, kung tutuusin, my dear brothers and sisters, lahat naman tayo naging bunso at one point in our lives. Before our younger siblings were born, we were once bunso. And all the extra care and attention was given to us because we needed it. That's why in retrospect, it was unfair to call out my parents for treating our bunso like a favorite, as if it was an injustice from us. Because we received the same love and care when we were the ones needing it. We just forgot and started to compare and calculate their love. You know, we sometimes do the same when we encounter difficulties in our lives, especially when we start to follow Jesus. You know, at first, we get this high, this so much love and joy in the moment we had our conversion, our life's greatest turnaround, like when Matthew was called in the customs post. We felt so close to Jesus, so intimate with Him, and when we shared the table with Him, we receive Him in the Eucharist after a long time of being in sin. It is the sweetest feeling in the world. We really felt we were the apple of His eye. We were His favorite. But in fact, we are the apple of His eye. But we are not just meant to just linger on that feeling. With so much love, it is meant to be shared. And that is the reason why Jesus offers His sacred heart to all of us men. His heart pines, beats, even pierces and bleeds for all of us the same way. But those who are well do not need a physician, but the sick do. Only those who acknowledges in humility that they are sick can His heart beat especially and uniquely for them as if His favorite. That's why it's up to us, sinners, if we want to become the apple of His eye, the jewel of His heart. In humility, we admit we need His love and mercy. My dear brothers and sisters, we are not just meant to linger on that feeling. We are meant and called to offer our hearts as well to our last brothers and sisters. Mga bunso nating kapatid na kailangan din ng aruga at atensyon. The least, the lost, and the last. Especially those who were far worse than us when first called. Yung hindi talaga nating inakala. Those that we consider the black sheep of God's flock, the black sheep of God's family. Because we were once the black sheep. We need also to learn how to accept people as they are and not to evaluate them just on what they have done in the past and where they have been, but simply because they are our brothers and sisters who need our love and our care. We need to learn how, as God does, to see people as they are now, always in need of His love and mercy. Only then can we understand God's ways, and only then can we have a heart like His sacred heart. Amen.